Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to solve Rubik's Cube in simple 2 algorithms. You can solve complete Rubik's Cube with simple 2 algorithms. First thing you need to know about Rubik's Cube is that it has 6 faces as you already know. First you need to know the names of the pieces. This is called centerpiece, these are called edges, and these are called corner pieces. There are different algorithms to move the edge pieces and the corner pieces, but centerpiece is always fixed. Fixed meaning I will explain now. For example, consider this white piece. Exact opposite is white centerpiece, it has yellow piece. But when you move different faces in different directions, the orientation of these two centerpieces will not change. It means that white centerpiece is always opposite to the yellow centerpiece. So these centerpieces are always fixed. The first step in solving Rubik's Cube is that we have to bring all the 4 white edge pieces around the yellow centerpiece. To do this, there is no separate algorithm. What you have to do is that you have to see where the edge pieces are, and by using trial and error method, you can always find out a way how to solve this. There is no separate algorithm to do this. For example, here white edge is there. I have to bring this white edge here by doing separate moves and different moves. See, now we have 2 white edge pieces around yellow centerpiece. Again, here we have this white edge piece here. We have to bring that edge piece to this place. Now we only have one edge piece to bring here. Here is the other white edge. Wow, we have done the first step. The important step here is white edge pieces should be there around yellow centerpiece. The next step is we have to bring white edge pieces around white centerpiece. To do that, we have to first find the other color of the white edge piece. For example, here we have white edge piece with blue as the other color. That is already matched with the side centerpiece. But sometimes it doesn't match with the side centerpiece. For example, here the white edge piece other color does not match with the side centerpiece. Then what we have to do is that by only moving the top layer, we have to match the other side color of the edge piece with the centerpiece. After matching, we have to rotate the front layer. Rotating means here we have to invert that. Center white piece has white edge piece, and the other color of the white edge piece matches with the side face center piece. Before rotating, we have to always check. We have to do the same thing with the other 3 edge pieces. For example, consider here it is already matched, so we have to just rotate the front face. After rotating, white centerpiece has white edge, and the other color matches with the centerpiece of the face. While rotating the front face, should always check the bottom layer whether it has already edge. For example, here we have orange. We have to match the orange color with the orange centerpiece. We have to check whether the bottom layer has white piece or not. So it doesn't have white edge, so we can rotate. But if it has white edge, then we have to rotate the bottom layer in such a way that it doesn't have the white edge corresponding to the front layer that we have to rotate. Now we are only left with one edge piece. The other color of the white edge piece is blue. Now after matching, rotate the front layer. See, after rotating, now we got the white color that we require. So the second step is completed. After the completion of this step, you have to keep white as your bottom layer always. Now just observe, don't do it. You learn the 2 algorithm. Right hand algorithm is that we have to first rotate right layer clockwise, upper layer clockwise, then right layer anti-clockwise, upper layer as anti-clockwise. If you repeat the right hand algorithm 6 times, you will get the Q position as same before. Don't do it now, just observe what is right hand algorithm. Now left hand algorithm is, now left face rotate anti-clockwise, top layer anti-clockwise, now left face clockwise, top layer clockwise. This is left hand algorithm. If you repeat the same step 6 times, you will get the Q position same as before. Now follow the steps. After the two important steps, what we have to do is that keep your white cross as bottom. Now we have to complete the first layer. Here we have to find any corner piece with white color, and we have to find the other two colors of the white corner piece. For example, here we have a white corner piece and other two colors are orange and green. The other two colors are important, so orange and green. So we have to find the corner in such a way that the center two pieces of that corner pieces should be green and orange. See, now we have moved the corner piece and the other two colors matches with the other two center pieces of that corner. I am repeating, the white corner piece, the other two colors are important, and we have to match the other two colors with the other side center pieces of that colors. Now we have to keep that corner piece at the top right. Then we have to follow the right hand algorithm. When you do this, you have to do the complete algorithm. After that, we have got this white piece at the bottom layer. Sometimes we may not get also after repeating simply once. In that case, you have to repeat the process. Again, we have one white corner piece with blue and red as the other colors. Now we have to find the junction where the blue and red center pieces are there as side corner pieces, side center pieces. We have to rotate only the top layer. See, now we have the junction where blue and red side center pieces are there. Center pieces are there. Red, blue, red, blue. Now again do the same right hand algorithm. See, we got the white piece at your bottom layer. Sometimes you have to repeat the process 2-3 times till you got the white at your corner bottom layer. Now this white corner piece has red and green, so we have to move accordingly. We have to find the two center colors, red and green. See, here we have red and green that are matching with the corner piece. Again same, you repeat the algorithm. We are lucky, we are always getting the first time. And we have only one corner left, so obviously whatever the white corner piece left on the top layer should match with this particular corner. Here we have other two colors are blue and orange. Here we have orange and blue. Right hand algorithm actually swaps these two corners. Now after doing the right hand algorithm, see, we didn't get the white color, so we have to repeat again. We didn't get, so we have to repeat it again. So finally we got white corner piece at your bottom layer. Now we have completed the complete white face, and if you observe, the first layer is also completed. Be careful, here we should get T formation, which means that the lower layer colors should match with the center pieces of the side faces. Next, you have to complete the second layer. Now you have to swap the edges of the second layer. See, here we have wrong color. First you have to see the top layer. You have yellow as center and you have 4 edges, and the edges has 2 colors. Out of these 2 colors, you should not have any yellow. Find such a edge. For example, this edge has one yellow color, so we should not use this edge. This edge has red and blue, so we have to swap this edge to the right place. First, see the side color of the edge piece. You have to match with the center piece color. For example, here you have blue and you have turned into blue color. Now you have to see the other color of the edge piece. Whether the other color matches at your left side or right side is important. The red color is at your right side. See, red and red. Now you have to rotate the top layer in your opposite direction. Again I am repeating, matching and move into opposite direction. Since the color match at your right hand, you have to do the right hand algorithm. After completion of right hand algorithm, move the complete cube to the left side. Now do one more left hand algorithm. Now after completion, you can observe that blue and red corner piece has come to the right place. Blue, red, this piece has shifted from here to here. For example, if you have the other color at your left side, you have to do first left hand algorithm and shift rightwards and then right hand algorithm. We will see if that situation arises or not. For example, this piece has yellow, so leave it, and this piece has red and green. Again I am repeating, you have to see the edge pieces without yellow colors. This edge piece has green and red. Now the side color is red, so you have to match with the center color. After that, the other color of that piece is green. The green is at your right hand side, so same, you have to move the top layer into your right side and right hand algorithm and shift into left side, shift the cube to left side and left hand algorithm. After that, check again at the top layer if any other edge piece is there without yellow color. This piece has edge as yellow, leave it. This edge piece has yellow color, so leave it. This edge piece does not have yellow, so you can transfer this piece. First, match the side color blue to your blue center piece. The other color of that piece is orange. The orange color is at your left side, so you have to move the top layer to the right side. Since you have moved to right side, first you have to do the left hand algorithm. Then move the complete cube to the right side, then move the complete cube to the right side, then again follow the right hand algorithm. Now you see the all top edge 4 pieces have yellow, so you can't do much, and all the second layer colors are matched, so second layer is completed. Sometimes what happens is that the edge piece colors will be in reverse. Then what you have to do is that you have to first swap these two and match the corresponding color and again swap it. Then it will come into current orientation. So we have completed the 2 layers. Now we have to be careful not to disturb the completed 2 layers. First you have to create yellow cross. In order to do that, you may also need yellow line. You don't have line and cross, so at least you have 2 yellow edges. So you have to keep that in 9 o'clock formation. Top layer I am talking about. You have to rotate the front layer clockwise. Now you have to do right hand algorithm and make the front face normal, means anti-clockwise. After that you can observe the 2 layers are not disturbed. But at the top we got an yellow line. Now keeping the yellow line parallelly, we have to rotate the front layer in clockwise direction. Do one right hand algorithm. After that again rotate the front layer normal, means anti-clockwise. But fortunately we got all yellow colors, but what we require is yellow cross. We require only yellow cross. We don't need other edge pieces. But now I will explain what if only we got the cross. I will explain now. See this case, we have 2 layers. Now at the top layer we got yellow line. Now keeping the line parallel, move the front row clockwise. Do right hand algorithm. and move the front row anti-clockwise. Now the two layers are not disturbed, you can observe. We also got the yellow grass that we require. Now what we have to do is that whatever we have done with the white corner pieces, we have to do with the yellow corner pieces. That means we have to see the other two colors of the yellow corner pieces. For example, this yellow corner piece has blue and red, that is matched with the side faces also, side face center pieces. Orientation is not important, only the colors are matched are only important. But fortunately, we have all the four corners are matched to the correct corner pieces. What happens if the corner piece is not matched with the corresponding faces? And that I will explain now. First, let me disturb the corner pieces. Now see this edge has blue and red color. It has matched with the blue and red center pieces of that corner. Blue, red. So this edge is okay. This edge has red and green. So red and green. It is also matched. The colors orientation is not important. Only colors should be matched. But this corner has one blue color, but the other two faces doesn't have blue color. So this is a wrong edge. Similarly, this edge also is not matching with the side. These two are wrong edges. These two are right edges. You have to keep the right edges at your left hand side, wrong edges at your right hand side. Follow the right hand algorithm. You have to do 3 times. After 3 times, turn the cube to your left side. Complete cube. Do left hand algorithm 3 times. This algorithm actually swaps the 2 corner pieces, whatever we thought was wrong. Now check the edges again. It's better to check with one color first. So let's find the blue color. This edge piece has blue and red, so red and blue matched. Blue, orange, blue matched. Green, orange. Green and red matched. Now all the edges are matched. So this is another step. So after creating cross, we have matched all the edge colors. The next step is we have to make the complete yellow bottom layer. For this, you have to keep white as your top layer and keep the yellow centerpiece at your bottom layer. Generally, if you don't have any yellow corner piece, you can start at any corner piece. But if you have at any place a yellow piece, you have to start with a corner where it does not have yellow. So here we don't have yellow, so we have to make here yellow. Do right hand algorithm. Keep repeating until you get yellow in your bottom layer. You have to do the complete algorithm. You have to repeat until you get the white yellow color. Now you got yellow at your bottom layer. Now you have to rotate only the bottom layer. Forget about the other cube colors, even though they look disturbed, forget about it and repeat the right hand algorithm. Keep repeating until you get yellow and do the complete algorithm every time and repeat it. You got yellow here. Again repeat only the bottom layer. Do the right hand algorithm until you get yellow at your bottom layer corner. You got yellow. That's good. Again rotate the bottom layer only and finally you should get yellow here. Do right hand algorithm again. So finally you got yellow here also. After getting all yellow pieces correctly, the 2 layers will automatically correct itself. If you done any mistake, then it is a mistake. You have to repeat the complete process. Now again keep the yellow as your top layer. Now the edge colors are not matching, so you have to swap the edge colors. For that also there is an algorithm. This is the last stage. You have to find a face which has all 3 colors are matched. Even if you don't get also, you can repeat this algorithm. Here we have in the top layer 3 red colors are matched, so rotate the top layer to its correct position, matching a complete red color. Even if you don't have any right face also, then no problem, you can assume that it is correct and repeat this algorithm. After repeating once, you will get one color correct face, then you can repeat this algorithm. Keep the red face facing you. First do right hand algorithm once. Actually you can decide whether you have to do right hand algorithm first or left hand algorithm first. This blue has to rotate anti-clockwise, so you have to do first right hand algorithm. If you have to, it has to rotate clockwise, then you have to do left hand algorithm first. First one right hand algorithm, then one left hand algorithm. Then right hand 5 times. Left hand algorithm 5 times. After that, all the pieces are magically solved. So if it is in opposite direction, you can do the similar procedure, first left, then right, left 5 times, right 5 times. Cube will be solved. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe, and also if you have any doubts, please comment in comment section. I will clear your doubts, or I will make another video. Thank you.